हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल LIS वर्ड में। सब्सक्राइब करें LIS वर्ड को और दबाएं बेल आइकन ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पर मिलते रहें। मैं दीपिका आज आपके साथ लाइब्रेरी साइंस के महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स को डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ, तो बने रहें LIS वर्ड के साथ। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, Herzberg is two-factor theory deals with motivation. School system is management is based on the contribution of Henry Fayol. The high purpose of book selection is to provide the right book to the right reader at the right time. Whose quotation is this? J.F.K. Drury. Maturity theory presented by Chris Agris. Hierarchy of needs theories presented by Abraham Maslow. Which of the following theories is not an another name of Herzberg two-factor theory? Expectancy theory. Theory X and theory Y developed in which year? 1960. TQM was promulgated by Deming and Zuran. Who is known as father of administrative management? Henry Fayol. Physical condition of the book should be property maintained. This is known as conservation. Ask principle is related to management. According to General Financial Rules 2005, loss of how many volumes per 1000 volumes issued consulted in a year is to be taken as reasonable. 8. The standard size of catalog card is 5 by 3 inch. Who has written the book The Practice of Management? Peter Drucker. Quality circle were originally described by W. Edwards Deming. Quality circle, a new channel of communication in an organization, is a technique used in participative management. Differential piece work was suggested by F.W. Taylor. Principle of management was identified by Henry Fayol. Kunch and O'Donnell have laid down 7 steps in planning. Fumigation is related to preservation. The principle is pre-did crops emphasis. Teamwork. Edwards Evans put scientific management period between the year 1880 to 1972. The person who first expounded journal system theory was L.V. Bertalanffy. Task and bonus system is developed by H.L. Grant. Cardiac system devised by Remington Rand Private Limited. The zero-based budget first prepared in 1970. R is a software used for statistics for librarian. UGC grants are mainly for 3 types: requiring, non-requiring, and ad hoc grant. Scholar change refers to hierarchy. Maximum profit is one of the principles of scientific management. The process of restoring order among the books is called self-rectification. The budget which based expenditure on the performance of activity is known as performance budget. Publicity is a tool of public relation. Strategies provide a framework for objectives. Principle of unity commands means subordinates should receive orders from one senior only. Time and cost factor are included in part program evaluation and review technique. Organization structure means delegation of authorities with in an organization. MBO is a good example of participative management. Span of control refers to the number of subordinates to be supervised. Brownie charging system originated from United States. Esprit de corps means unity of commands. Which budgeting technique has the elements of inflexibility in it? Line item budget. PPBS stand for Planning Programming Budgeting System. PERT is used for managing the time management. According to whom management is accomplishment of result of the efforts of the other people. Lawrence Apley. Segmentation is associated with market survey report. Coding is connected with serials. Who advocate the 7 basic statistical tools for quality control? Kauro Shivaka. The library will subscribe to journal throughout an agent is an example of policy. Modular planning of the library building means the space is divided into equal units. Thank you.